What's happening? This Keenan. I'm about to show you how to make a proper pitcher of Kool-Aid. Get you a pitcher that measures a gallon. Next, get you 2 fruits, 1 lemonade. You want to go fruit, lemonade, fruit. Do this, then this for all the packages. Add some water to make sure all the Kool-Aid is dissolved. Measure out 2.5 cups of sugar. Add the sugar. Fill it up with water to right there. You need to stir in complete silence so you can hear the sugar. When you're done stirring, put the lid on it. Get a cup, fill it up halfway with iced tea. Add the Kool-Aid. Drink and enjoy. For more recipes and tips, check me out on YouTube. Keenan just felt like cooking. 1. I'll challenge anybody in the world to a pitcher of Kool-Aid.